Good morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone, and Happy New Year. And by the way, it is Friday, so lots of great things going on here. We're starting the new year on a Friday, but of course, every new year we have change, and Mother Nature is bringing us a change right now as there's a cold front coming into the area. Now, we're looking at southwesterly winds right now, but that will change to become more of a northerly wind once this front passes us by. So some of us right now are seeing some shower activity, and that's due to this cold front coming by. And then by the time this passes us, we're looking at cooler air to come in behind this cold front, and that will help to eat away the moisture in the atmosphere, and that means the cloud cover will start to thin out, and we'll see clearer skies in the later afternoon hours and into this evening. And then another cold front is looking to come down from the north, and that's the one that's really going to bring some chilly conditions as we get into our weekend. So here's the time frame here. We're calling for another batch of showers and storms to arrive later on this morning, early this afternoon, and then this will be out of here by the middle to latter part of the afternoon. As you can see on our futurecast, the cloud cover starts to erode away as that cooler, drier wind comes down from the north. And by the way, the winds are really going to pick up this afternoon. We're calling for winds up to 20 to 25 miles per hour, so it's going to get quite breezy out there. This same system bringing us the rain now is going to track up the eastern seaboard and become a major nor'easter with very heavy snow and strong winds. So if you have any travel plans over the weekend to go up to New England, good luck to you, because we're going to be dealing with some cancellations I'm anticipating. There's some rain going through Georgia right now, and also another batch of rain in the Gulf of Mexico that is going to be coming into our area, like I said, later on this morning and into early afternoon hours of today. Look at the high in Minneapolis, 5 degrees, and that's it, 24 in St. Louis. So what we have here is a buckling of the jet stream. It's allowing all this cold air from Canada to spill southward, and that is coming in our direction. Now, we're obviously not going to see temperatures like this in the single digits and the lower 20s. However, we are going to see some cooler conditions with this north wind setting up, and highs during this weekend will only get into the 50s, and that's about it. Well, obviously showing you this graphic, it's not the best day to take the boat out at all. Small craft advisory has been issued. Winds out of the northwest of 15 to 20 knots with higher wind gusts. Seas 4 to 6 feet. The bay is becoming rough, so obviously hold off taking the boat out. I suggest you do that because it's just going to be very, very choppy out there. Our high tops out 66, and that's going to be during the morning hours because as we go through the afternoon, expect decreasing temperatures with this cold front coming in and that cooler air filtering into the area. And also the rain will start to wrap up this afternoon. Low will drop down to 42. Our average for a low is 51, so we're going to be quite cool. And also, remember, the wind is going to be quite stiff out of the north. And by the way, the National Weather Service is going to issue a wind chill advisory tonight. And that means that with the chilly conditions and the strong winds, the feel-like temperature outside will be a lot cooler than the actual air temperature. There's our high of 59 on Saturday. And then we drop down to 35 for a low on Sunday morning. It's going to be really cold. And then 57 for a high on Sunday. And as we get into Monday, we're in the mid-50s. So at least we're seeing sunshine throughout our forecast, but it is going to be a cool first week of our 2010 year. Thanks for logging on to Herald-Tribune.com.